Hey everybody, I'm Eric. I'm about to unbox the latest 3D printer from 3D Systems, which they're calling Cube 3. It's supposed to be twice as fast as other 3D printers, and so easy to use, it's recommended for children as young as 8. They offer 23 different colors of plastic in ABS and PLA, which the Cube 3 can print in 2 different colors at the same time. So what we're going to do is take it out of the box, look at all the parts, we'll go through the setup process, then I'm going to do my first print, and we'll see how well it works. They include a USB stick that contains the user guide. Power cable. And 2 spools of PLA plastic. Power adapter. Needle nose pliers, a scraping tool, and cube stick, which I believe is the glue that adheres the model to the print bed. That's it. That is all that is in the box. Put some cardboard jammed in. Cardboard all around the print bed. There's a track with teeth here where it looks like the assembly that's holding up the print bed can run back and forth. Use the touchscreen, attach the print head, then mount the spool. I'm inserting and turning clockwise. Cartridge number 2. I assume what's happening now is that it's heating up the plastic in order to get it out to the heads. I can see there's already a little bit of black plastic hanging out through from our first cartridge, and some of it came off down here in this little flexible thread.
apply the glue.
Well, that's my first test print with the Cube 3. Produced a little tag thing. Even though the texture is really fine, there are some globs and imperfections on the surface, which is, I believe, why they include some sandpaper for you to finish off the item. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're into this sort of thing. I'm going to be doing some more 3D prints. We'll take a look at the software that 3D Systems offers and try to build some cool stuff. So if you have ideas or models that are uploaded to Thingiverse or just questions about 3D printing that someone could answer like me who really doesn't know anything but is willing to experiment or whatever, then let's talk about it. Leave a comment or send me a link.